Hi guys, I'm Geetanjali. Welcome to my channel. Wait, do you want to watch this video in Tamil? Then click here.
Be strong.
Eggplant is not a favorite for a lot of people. After watching this video, if you try this recipe at home, you may change your opinion. But for people who love eggplant, oh my gosh, this is an absolute superb dish which you will love it. So today I'm going to make an easy but delicious pepper eggplant. Now let's cook. One medium size onion cut into small pieces. I've taken 500 grams of small eggplant. Let's remove the stem and cut it like this. Let's place the cut eggplant in the water to avoid oxidation. Let's heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of split urad dal. Once it's fried, let's add the cut onions to it. Add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Let's add a pinch of turmeric powder. Once the onion is cooked, let's add the cut eggplant and half a teaspoon of salt and mix well. Let's close the lid and cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Usually eggplant will have water content, so you don't need to add water, but if you still think it is dry, just sprinkle a little bit water when you're cooking. Now let's close the lid again and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's add 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder, which is our main ingredient to this dish, and mix well. Close the lid and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Repeat the steps until the eggplant is completely cooked. The eggplant is cooked. Let's transfer this to a bowl. Let's garnish with some cilantro. Such an easy pepper eggplant is ready. Actually, I'm going to taste this today with white rice. It tastes yummy with it. Wow, it's very yummy. Did you see how quickly we made our pepper eggplant? I had it with rice, which usually I like it, but it goes really well with rotis, chapatis as well. Please do try this recipe and leave your comments below. And if you like this video, like, share with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.